mining industry is an industry which needs innovation and it is dying for it. For this, to save miners' lives, we've created the Mine Guard. The Mine Guard is a smart helmet which has an air quality sensor, a SpO2 sensor and piezoelectric shoes with, in addition to the piezoelectric shoes.
In addition to a piezoelectric sensor which generates power from the constant motion of the person.
Then coming on to the air quality sensor, this sensor detects any poisonous or toxic gases which are emerged in mines constantly and then checks for them and then displays them here in this OLED display to the miner to check for it, and it shows them either if the air is fresh, moderate or harmful. If the air is harmful, it tells the miner immediately to leave the mine and save his life. Then coming on to the location pinging. We've also added a Bluetooth module which will connect to the local area network of every mine. Every mine has a local area network, and for that we've connected a Bluetooth module to the local area network for the purpose of location pinging in an emergency situation. Thank you.
Now for the power we're using a battery pack which is attached to the helmet, and we're also using a secondary battery which generates power through the motion of the miner.